Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how we can change the date format of your iPhone. Also I wonder why you want to change the date format of your iPhone. It is because you're somebody who prefers the month before the date, or maybe you're somebody who prefers the date before month. So whoever you are, in this video I'll show you how easily you can do that. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first what you have to do is you have to unlock your mobile phone, and then we will be able to change the date format of your phone. Once you have unlocked your phone, you will see various options. From these options you can see this setting option. This is the icon of the settings and it is available in every mobile phone. You just have to simply tap on it and there you will see settings will open. There you can also see we have a lot of options. Every option has its own purpose that it performs, so we have to find an option through which we could do our work. So in this section, as you can see, we have numerous options. From all these options we have to select this first option, which is general. Click on it and then you will get into the general settings of your mobile phone. Here we have an option which is date and time, and we normally think that our date format will be there. So for that we have to click on it and check for it. But when we click on it, we will see that we will not have an option through which we can change the date format. It has only an option through which we can change the time format, like we can use the 12 hours or 24 hours, but we don't have any option through which we can change the date format. So for that you have to get back and click on this option, which is language and region. It is below date and time. As you can see, if you click on it you will see many options. From all these options you have to select the second last option, which is date format. Along with that you will also see the selected date format. Just simply click on it. Through this option we will easily change the date format. So here you can see we have a lot of options. In some options the month is before, in some options the date is before, and in some options the year is before, and in some options the 2023 is written in full form and somewhere it is written only 23. You can see whatever option you like, whatever is your preference. You just have to simply click on it and that option will be selected on your mobile phone, and the date will be shown according to that selected option. So there's no limitation to it. You can use any option, whatever is most useful in your country, or whatever you like you can select it. So to select it you just have to simply tap on it and then you will see that tick option along with your selected option. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the date format of your iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.